Hi, I'm Brittany Buchholz-Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for August 9th. Last week, a touching ceremony took place in the Cornerstone Hospice Care Center at Orlando Health ORMC, where a UF Health Cancer Center patient was recently transferred. When the patient's daughter, Sophia, learned of the seriousness of her mother's illness, she canceled her November wedding and asked the team at Cornerstone Hospice to have her wedding in the chapel on the unit. The unit chaplain officiated, a UF Health Cancer Center musical therapist provided ceremony music, and a cake was donated to the couple. Both family and team members were in attendance to celebrate the couple on their special day.
I'm just really thankful, and I'm appreciative that they see my sister first as a human and a woman who's a fighter, and then also as a patient. So the humanity and the care go hand in hand. The warmth has created an atmosphere that feels like home, and I'm grateful for that.
It's been our privilege to work with the Orlando Health team and to bring this to fruition, and as we saw today, to make a real difference in patients' lives.
Next, a middle school student had a very thoughtful idea to include Orlando Health patients in her mitzvah project as part of her bat mitzvah in October. Madison distributed over 400 handmade Getwell Cards to brighten the days of patients at South Seminole Hospital and other Orlando Health facilities.
Seeing them hopeful made me realize that they believe in themselves and that there is hope. And it just made me feel happy because not only am I caring for them, but everyone else that made a card is caring for them also.
It's such a warm feeling to know that someone's thinking about you, especially when you're in the hospital, or if you're in the hospital and you don't have family. This makes an incredible impact, and the level of kindness was just amazing. I remember one of our patients was like, "You're not even my child, and I'm proud of you." That's just the most heartfelt thing that anyone can say to someone else's child.
Have you watched the inspiring story of learning consultant Lisa McDowell as she shares about her personal health journey and her work here at Orlando Health? Check out the latest story project now on Swift. And finally, enrollment for HERT is now open. The Atlantic hurricane season started on June 1st, and team members interested in becoming part of the Hospital Emergency Response Team, or HERT, should have a discussion with their managers and review the HERT expectations. Orlando Health HERT members are expected to be available when a disaster or catastrophic event or incident occurs within the community. Any questions about HERT can be directed to the HR Solutions Center. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. Thank you for making Orlando Health the best hospital possible. See you next week.